I joined in May of 25. Took some time, watched the material, got my account set up, started trading in June, small amounts, started trading more actively in July. And since July, now it's November of 25, I have also consistently been able to make about 1% a week. And just found the educational material was really comprehensive. I felt that it was very easy to understand. I know of many traders and who have done very, very well, but they couldn't teach what they did, and people couldn't replicate what they did. So the initial hesitations I have with anything that's, could be really any purchase, could be a small purchase or a large purchase, is I want to understand who else has walked this path and what have they said about it. And there's like nothing but great reviews on Trustpilot. So it was that really like eased my concerns that the community and the curriculum was something that I would understand and that I could replicate. The time effort involved is so little. It's very easy to manage an active operator role, which I do, and then the low stress trading role in the background, which doesn't take a tremendous amount of effort at all. It really can be as little as 5 minutes a day, Tuesday through Thursday, and then maybe only like 5 or 10 or 15 minutes on Friday. And Monday is when you set up your trade. That takes you probably somewhere between half an hour to, could take some people as much as 2 hours. So in the beginning, it took me a couple hours in the beginning, but not so much anymore. There's, I think, safety in numbers and safety in community, and the LSF community has a large community. It's over 2,000 people in it now. There was only 800 when I first joined. There's some really incredible people that are giving just incredible amounts of intense time and effort. It's just great to have that camaraderie. Many investment strategies are buy and hold. You just put money in real estate, you buy and hold, put money in stocks. You're diversifying your portfolio with a whole bunch of different, stocks, ETFs, and different things. And it's just a buy and hold mentality. And I like the recurring nature of the income. And thought that if 1% a week on a large portfolio was attainable, then I started thinking, well, wow, I could literally change my life and stop doing the active work that I'm doing if I can replicate that. And I've been happy to see that's the case.
Hey, Troy here. If you want to see the complete framework and how all of the pieces fit together, sign up for my free masterclass series. It's so low stress, you can do it in 1 to 2 hours a week. So low risk, the government allows you to trade it in custodial accounts for children. And so effective, it targets up to 68% returns per year. Just click the link below and I'll walk you through everything.